In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to turn on the dark mode on Messenger app. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this menu icon right here at the bottom right corner. Now here you can see settings right here. Just tap on settings. Just here you can see dark mode. Just tap on it and you can see on right here. Just choose this one on. As you can see, the dark mode has been turned on. You can also choose off and it will be off like this. You can just select the system right here and the Messenger will automatically adjust your appearance based on your device system setting. But for now, let me keep on and let's keep it to dark mode like this. That's it. This is how easy it is to turn on dark mode on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.